The VAN9003 error means that secure boot is not enabled on your PC. Secure boot and trusted platform module are security features that allow Windows to boot programs with trust and safety. Vanguards need these two features to recognize a system trusted state. If secure boot or TPM is disabled, Valorant won't launch and you will get the VAN9003 error. You can also check if secure boot is enabled by pressing the Windows button and search by the MS Info 32 and then system summary. Let's click on the Windows icon first and then you need to type here the MS Info 32. Now in here you can see all the information related to your operating system. We need to find here now here's the BIOS mode. You need to find the BIOS mode. It should be on UEFI mode because UEFI mode supports TPM and secure boot. Now the second thing, how to fix VAN9003 error in Valorant. To fix the VAN9003 error in Valorant, you need to enable secure boot on your computer. To do so, you need to restart your computer and press F2 to enter the BIOS and change secure boot to enable. So the simple process is just restart your PC, then press F2 probably for Alienware, Inspiron and Vostro. Go to the secure boot, change secure boot to enable, press F10 to save and exit. For others like the Optiplex, Precisions, Vice and XPS, and in fact I guess HP as well, for those to enter into the secure boot and then secure boot enable, check secure boot enable, apply, exit, save. After you have saved and exit the BIOS, your computer will restart. Now launch Valorant and you should not get the VAN9003 error. But in case if you are facing any other issue related to the Valorant or any other PC related issues, just let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you through your problems. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.